Well, it's been retired. You can hear that piece. Something broke off in there. And now this stick will rotate left and right. So that's put this guy out of service. Served me many years and was my first Xbox Design Labs controller. I still think it turned out pretty good to this day. Kind of based off of a SNES toy-esque design. And I really wanted the back to be orange, so I was trying to figure out some way to have that go together. RIP. And I guess I'll make a new Xbox Series controller once I'm able to. For now, we'll just have to use the two Noctua theme guys down here. We got a brown one, and we got a tan one.